What's going on, everyone? So AMC this morning had a massive sell-off, but now we are recovering. We are back up, consolidating sideways right now around the $50 price point when I'm filming this. Now I went live earlier today, and not much really was going on. Pretty much AMC was just chilling after the sell-off. And let me actually show you I'd say probably a easier view of this sell-off because this morning pre-market was not the greatest, but we can see here, basically, we can see starting pretty much, and then all of a sudden we had this sell-off from like 62 all the way down to like $41. So percentage-wise, at this drop, we're looking at, let's see, like a 33% drop, which not too bad, but the thing is, the only level where support is pretty much that area where it bounced off. Like it bounced off right on the top of these candlesticks right here, which you can see on the right side. If you go over, it's basically there. So now it's currently well below, I'd say, the 50 EMA, but it's consolidating right now. And there was some news that a lot of media outlets posted that pretty much made the price just crumble down. And then a lot of people were actually validating the new update of the article, stating that it was essentially old news and that the media is just pretty much putting out information that's outdated at this point. But here is the article that was put out. AMC files to sell 11 million shares, stock merely tanks. And basically, from my research, and again, you guys can fact check this stuff. Remember, this video is just my own opinion. It's for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. Be sure to do research before making any investments. But apparently, this article stating about its 11 million shares was back done a few weeks ago. So it wasn't actually even related to today from what I found. But again, you can double check and check out where this information is going. But if that's the case, then guess what? That caused people to panic. Next thing you know, it's price tanks. Now, right now, currently, I'm on the 1 minute chart. So this is like real time, 1 minute. This isn't like 1 hour. Because if you switch to 1 hour chart, just look at what happens. It just literally looks insane. And you can see here, look at this sell-off since the top, which we can actually go here and let's just take a look. I'll pull it up, and at the high 73 plus, we were pretty much down 42%. So not too crazy, but we're still up significantly from last time. And usually when I make these videos are in the morning, so once noon, lunchtime comes out, the volume increases around 3 to 5x volume, which basically increases the price even more. But on the 1 hour chart, we are above the 50 EMA. So we're still up, trending upwards. Currently, the volume based off my Webull, I can see it's at 191 mil. So we still have a few hundred more mil volume till we get to like 500, 600 mil like yesterday, which means that still has room to potentially continue running. But again, this is a longer term waiting game at this point because short term, it's just figuring out what's going on with the information. Because if, from my knowledge, and again, feel free to comment below, let me know. Apparently the shorts haven't covered yet. So if that is accurate, that is true, then technically that means all of this run-up is sheerly people following in trying to get in AMC. Because if the shorts haven't covered yet, guess what? That means the price can go up significantly higher. We don't know yet. But definitely feel free to comment any statistics or data that you found. Now going to Twitter, I always like to go to Twitter or Reddit. This person posted this picture. And he says, look at AMC and GME. Still believe AMC showed off the shares. And you can see here, it's apparently, I don't know what, looks like this is AMC's chart based off of the price. And then this is GME's chart. So let's go and let's fact check. Let's see if this even looks similar to AMC's chart. Because if that's the case, look at that. To me, it looks very similar. So based off this article saying selling off, that's kind of odd that GME doesn't have any articles saying it sold off any stock yet. It has almost a similar pattern. And in terms of percent, let's just see the percent drop. Just to make sure, you know, we're not overthinking this. So around 17%, even down here, obviously 20 plus. So interesting that how the media works in this space. We don't know what's accurate. We don't know what's real. But still, definitely that's something to look into. And then let's check out and see some more stuff. So this guy has a little meme talking about when it was at 14, then 30, 60, next is 100 plus. Like, that's what I say too. In terms of price predictions, let's just make it clear, I don't know where the top is. This could be the top and it crumbles down, or this could be just the beginning. We don't know yet. What I can say is that if the volume starts to increase, the media attention starts to increase, more data gets released, and we start to figure out what's the true numbers, then guess what? AMC has a lot of potential. But until then, price cap, this if it actually becomes a short squeeze, everyone says, and actually continues to run up, then technically there's really no limit. It's basically a game of chicken, and whoever decides to sell is pretty much the dictator of the price. Because if nobody sells, then guess what? The price is gonna just run up. Now here we can see some more. Let's see some more tweets. See what anybody has here. Okay, so this one. This guy posted 3 trades. He said, the filing of the 11.5 billion shares you're seeing today is FUD. These shares were sold in late April and is being filed for now. Don't panic, we're doing okay. So again, based off his tweet, apparently Trade Trades does a lot of research on AMC, so he says that this is FUD as well. So if that is accurate, then guess what? There's still potential. But okay, now today, currently AMC is dropping. It's dropping hard. Now we're at $46 now. Okay, we see it dropping. It's dropping. It's continuing to drop. And let's see if there's any more stuff going on. So this guy has some history on GME. Let's look at what this person posts. So again, that is true. He says it's not a one-day event, which totally agree. AMC, not even AMC, just a short squeeze takes time. And when it happens, then you'll know when it happens. But from what I've seen, it doesn't seem like it's happened yet. We don't know yet, okay? But January, GameStop, $20 pretty much. Next thing you know, it goes to 20, 30. 39, 40 plus, 60 plus. Next week, 70, 159. Like, look at that. Within, like, what is that? Less than, pretty much like 12 days, give or take, 12, 13 days. Then all of a sudden, it breaks 150. Now, at this point, you're up already significant. 5, 10x almost, depending on when you got in. And then now it goes to 300 plus. Next you know, it hits 400. And look, a lot of people sold, which again, I wouldn't say that's a bad decision, because if you're up a significant amount from your initial investment, taking profits is never a bad idea. The bad idea is holding when you could have made money and then it ends up never going back up. Then obviously that's an L. But look at right now, AMC breaks out. You can see, so pretty much based off this time frame, it took 2+ weeks almost, like half the month for this to occur. So again, we don't know yet, but I say we have to keep an eye on this. We got like 2 more weeks or so to pretty much figure out what's going on. And then we can see here, look at this, where the ladder attack came from. Also, we can see this Trade Trades has another tweet around the timing of AMC and like when the price actually sold off. So currently right now, I mean, it's just a waiting game. We got to wait and see. But so far, the AMC community, they're holding strong. AMC is currently 47 right now. Seems like they can't really push the price down that much. So today, I wouldn't be surprised if it were to touch back in the 40s. But in the next week or so, that's when the true madness happens. Because tomorrow's Friday, not much is going to go on then. But until then, we're going to have to wait and see. But aside from that, guys, let me know your price predictions, your thoughts on AMC in the comments below. Like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.